We go. Yeah. I'm already there. Yeah. You ain't gonna ask no longer, cause I'm already there. Yeah. Go and tell my mom right now. I'm already there. Yeah. Man, I'm already there. Yeah. It's like people always question when you seem to have a dream. Please apply the pressure, I love challenges, I'm keen. So I take the long route with everything I scheme, and hold my brain accountable for everything I've seen. Acting like I did in 96 when I was 10. Backseat of a truck yelling daddy, daddy, when? Will we reach the destination that we headed? Never understanding that I keep on moving for 11 years plus 3, oh wait, that's old as me. And I'm roller coasting harder than I'd ever even dream. Since 09, yes, a lot of things change. It ain't even been a year, but check the RPM gauge. Pedal to the metal with my eyes closed, whistling, cracking champagne with anybody listening. Spent a couple seconds racing with the hands of time until I took a closer look at where I'm at and realized that, yeah, I'm already there. We go. Yeah. I'm already there. Yeah. We go so hard, right? I'm already there. I know Rich Kid saying I'm already there. Okay.
Listen, I'm already there. I'm already home. No house arrest. Your boy is very grown. That was